Today, I'll walk you through the steps of establishing a dependent drop-down list within your Excel spreadsheet. For example, in this video, I will select a type. It's either a movie or a TV show. I'm just gonna choose movie, and in the title column, something magical happens. The list of titles adapts instantly, showing only the movies available. For instance, let's pick Jaws. Now, hold on to your seats because with just a click, I can switch to TV show, and the titles change to a whole new set, specific to TV shows. But that's not all. You can have as many lists as you need. In this tutorial, I'll keep it simple and showcase the power of two lists. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to set this up step by step, but you can also witness the real-time magic of how your title list updates dynamically based on your selection. Let's dive into the steps. Begin with this dataset, making a clear distinction between entries categorized as either movies or TV shows. Highlight movie data and click Insert at the top. Select Table and ensure the checkbox is marked to include headers. Go to the Table Design tab and rename the table. Let's name this table as Movie. Repeat the same process for the TV show data. Ensuring unique tables name without spaces. Use underscores if necessary. Now in the type column, in this video it's column E. This is where you indicate the type of the show. Go to the Data tab and click on Data Validation. Choose List and type the source as movie, TV show. Or select the cells with these values. Click OK to apply. Copy this validation to other cells as needed. Now, select the first cell in the title column. Go to the Data tab, choose Data Validation, and select List again. In the source section, equals indirect, followed by open parentheses and then type E4 as our first reference. And now close the parentheses. When you click the drop-down arrow in the title column, it won't display any titles until you choose a type. Select Movie, and the titles related to movies will appear. To ensure everything is functioning smoothly, let's test the TV show category. Oops, I almost overlooked copying the validation formula. Simply duplicate and paste it down where necessary. Then select and delete any unnecessary values. Now observe how flawlessly the TV show list operates. And what's impressive about this setup is that if you add a new title, the drop-down list will automatically update based on the type you've selected. This dynamic feature streamlines your data management process. Follow these steps and you'll efficiently manage and categorize your data with dependent drop-down lists. I hope this tutorial proves helpful for your data organization needs. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thank you.